Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I did a makeup tutorial on this look using a lot of stuff that I got from Marshall's and some stuff I got from the drugstore and Ulta. So I guess if you want to see how I got this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like always I have all this makeup that I got. Well, most of it is from Marshall's. And some of it I just got from the drugstore, and I just want to put it all on my face and just play with makeup. I haven't played with makeup in a while, so this is going to be like a first impressions and a makeup tutorial, I guess. I actually don't have a new eyebrow stuff that I want to use. Well, I have a brow gel that I want to use, but I think to fill in my eyebrows I'm just going to use my Benefit Brow. I guess I'll just do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I probably look crazy because I have my eyebrows filled in and I don't have any face makeup on. But we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I actually, guys, I'm so happy. Look how beautiful this is. I just recently got the Too Faced Natural Face palette for the face and then the eyes, obviously, and just look how beautiful the packaging is. Oh my god, I die. And it smells like chocolate and it's just so beautiful. So I actually have what is it, this L'Oreal pigment in Golden Emerald that I want to use, and then I also have this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. So I want to do like a green look maybe. So for the eyes, this is perfect because it's all neutrals. We're going to use this for our transition colors. So to set the eyes real quick, I guess I will take Heaven in the palette and set my eyes real quick. I have concealer on my eyes that I used to carve out my eyebrows. And then for our transition color, I'm going to take Less is More right here and just run that through my crease. So then I'm going to take a little bit of All Natural right here. Just run that through my crease again just to warm it up a little. I'm pretty sure this is just a revamp of their Already Natural palette that Marshall carries now because it's obviously being repackaged. I think I'm going to then take Sexpert right here. It's a darker brown, and just deepen out the crease a little with that. Then I'm going to take Risky Biz right here and just deepen out the outer corner or the outer V even more. I think now I am going to take the Revlon, what is this called? The Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and this is in Desert Dazzle. Just going to take the green side and just do a little, should I do? I don't know what I want to do. Should I do like a half cut crease? Like a halo eye? I'm just going to slap it on and see what happens. So we'll do like a half cut crease situation. I think then I want to take the L'Oreal pigment and just stamp it on top just to intensify that even more, because that on its own is already beautiful, but I just want to give it that extra oomph. Mix these two right here and just blend this outer area together so we get like a really nice seamless blend. So then to highlight the brow bone, I'm going to take Heaven again and just put that under the brow bone. I don't want anything too sparkly, something matte. So that's the eyes for right now. I think I'm gonna move on to the face. Let me zoom you guys out. I actually had a new beauty blender I wanted to use that I got from Marshalls. Let me go wet this. This is the Real Techniques Bold Metals Collection Miracle Diamond Sponge. For my primer, I actually have, where is it? This new one from Soap and Glory. It's actually like a serum or like a 3-in-1. It's the Fab Pore 3-in-1 Oil Control Serum. Mattifies, primes, and refines. So I'm just going to prime using this. Should I shake it up? So it's super runny, it feels like a serum. I guess we'll see if it keeps us matte. It didn't make me super matte like my usual primers do. Let me see what it looks like up close. It's like balling up. Oh. I'm wondering if it's because I already have my moisturizer on and it's supposed to be like a serum, but it's not working for me. I think I'm just going to use a different primer because it's not working. It's just crumbling. Okay, so I think because that didn't work out, I am just going to use my Wet n Wild primer water. I really like this stuff. It's really nice. And then I'm just going to use my Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer just in my T-zone area where I have pores and I get oily, just to keep me smooth and shine free. Okay, the most exciting part, guys, I actually picked up the Anastasia Stick Foundation from Marshalls for $10. So I have 4 shades. I have almond, caramel, porcelain, and I believe this is banana. It's kind of hard to read, but I believe this is banana. I don't know if I should give you guys swatches. Let's do some swatches so you guys can see it. Banana, porcelain, caramel, and almond. Those are the swatches. I got, what is this? Almond to contour with, so I am going to use caramel and banana. Okay, so it's definitely a bit hard to apply. If you guys use the Maybelline and the L'Oreal sticks, this is a bit more drying. I think I'm going to use a brush because I just feel like a brush would be better with this foundation. I'll use this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend this out. Wow, that looks too light for me. So it definitely takes some work to blend it out, and the coverage is not what I was expecting. Okay, so it's definitely not the worst foundation I've tried, and it's not the best. I'm going to take almond and just cream contour with this, see how that works out. And then once I have everything on my face, I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, right off the bat, I like it a lot more better to contour with than an actual foundation for all over my face. So for my concealer, I'm just going to use the one I used to carve out my brows, and it's the Revlon Color Stay. This was my first time using this stuff, and I thought it was going to be a lot more thicker because I love the Color Stay foundation. That used to be my holy grail in high school. I loved it. The concealer is not playing the part. Just use the Real Techniques sponge. I like it, but I think the only annoying thing is this, how it's so pointy. I might have to just cut that part off. Okay, so then I picked up this Kat Von D Lock-It Brightening Powder in Golden. So excited when I saw this. So I'm just going to use this to set under my eyes. It might be a little, yeah, it might be a little too dark. Okay, so that's a little too dark for me to use under my eyes, so I'm just going to use my regular, what is this, powder to set under my eyes. So next up for my face powder, I have the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in Noisette. Okay, so that's nice. Set my face. So for my bronzer, I have this Kevyn Aucoin The Matte Bronzing Veil in Desert Days, and look at that beauty. It might be a little too light for me, but we're gonna try it out anyways. So for blush, I actually found another product that was Anastasia from Marshalls. This is the Anastasia Blush Trio in Pink Passion. I think I'm going to use these two shades right here, Basically and Sugar. Is that it? No, it's Rose and Sugar. Okay, I really like that too. So cute. So for my highlighter, guys, this, I was shook when I saw this. This other Marshalls, well, there are two Marshalls that I go to, and this one has so many Bobbi Brown products, I was shook. So this is the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Bronze Glow. Sorry, I'm holding it the wrong way. Look at that beauty. So we are just going to highlight away. Oh my god, I'm barely touching it, and look at all that pigment we are getting. I think I'm also going to take this in my inner corner just a little bit. So now we can move on to the lower lashes, or the lower lash line. I'm basically going to take all the shades we used in my crease and just smoke it out on the bottom lash line. And I'm sort of connecting the shadow on the top lid to the bottom. Okay, so I am all done with my eyes. I just applied my Lily Lashes in Miami. I did my bottom lashes with the Maybelline Falsies, the new mascara, or the revamp of the old mascara that they had. I also forgot that I have this Too Faced Love Blush, but I guess it's whatever now. Is that all? On my lips, I don't think I have anything new. Actually, I do. Never mind, I lied. So for my lips, I have the Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Longwear Lipstick in Sunday Funday. I'm not going to use a lip liner. I'm just going to apply this straight on. It's such a beautiful color, or a beautiful shade, and the packaging and everything is just stunning. So those are my lips, and I guess we're done. That was so quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you are updated with all my future videos. And I guess that is all that I have to say. Bye!